can you come to the lab requesting that your pregnancy scan results should be altered? Like how? Right now, there is anger and pain in my heart because so many people are being misled about serious issues like paternity tests, infectious and serious health conditions, all because the result has been altered. Imagine a woman coming into the lab to come and do pregnancy test, and her test result was positive. Then she proceeded into doing pregnancy scan. When the sonographer checked her, she was few weeks gone. And you know the next thing that came out from her mouth? She said she wants the results to be backdated. That's to say, if she was 8 weeks gone, the result should be taken to like 4 or 5 weeks. And the sonographer was like, no, she can never do that. This woman started begging. Hey, God. The sonographer was like, why should I backdate your results? And she was like, the pregnancy does not belong to her husband. Yes, the pregnancy does not belong to a man. I don't know if she was married, but she said the pregnancy does not belong to a man. So the sonographer should help her backdate the results so that it will, when she calculates it, it will fall back to a man. Then the sonographer was like, she can never ever do that. She said she will never do such a thing. This lady started begging, threatening that she will take her life if the sonographer does not do it. She had to call our attention because we had to be witness of what was going on. So we told the lady, ma, this lab, we don't do such a thing here. Down to scan, to lab tests, we do not alter results. And even if you take your life right now, we are not going to alter your result because we do not do that here. So the sonographer gave her a result and she was like, ma, whatever is written on that result I gave to you has been recorded on my system for evidence tomorrow. So in case you say I altered your result, I can easily show it as proof that it is the same result I gave to you. This lady left the lab angrily. Do you know what shocked me most? The next day, she came back to our lab and she told us that what we could not do for her, another lab did it for her. Hey, God. So like this now, that's her innocent husband. I don't know if he's her husband or her boyfriend or her man. I don't know. So that man will father a child that is not his. Imagine you have heart to give your pregnancy to another man. So when that child grows up tomorrow, you find out that that man is not his father, what will you say to him? I know some unprofessional health practitioners will not like this video, but I don't care. Yes, I don't care. Because whatever you are doing, you are not just doing that person a favor. You are also falsifying medical results. And the complications, the consequences are real. So please, if you are a patient, stop putting health practitioners under pressure to alter your results for you. Deal with your problem. And if you are a health professional, no matter the situation, stand on your ground. Being on it, your integrity is your license. And once it is gone, everything is at risk. All your years of working is gone. In healthcare, truth is not an option. You don't debate on whether to do the right thing. Always stand on it. Always stand on it. I know how many times I have been tried on such thing. But see, look this face. So if you see it, avoid it. I don't do such. Apart from the fact that I'm a health practitioner, that is a crime against God. That there's no difference between that and murder. There is no difference between that and stealing. A crime is a crime. Even if people did not see you doing that thing, it is a crime against God and a crime against man. Because that man, as he is right now, he is going to take care of that child. He is going to send that child to school. And when they trace where the problem came from, it all started from the woman that gave the child to him, down to the health practitioner that wrote that child belongs to the man. So let's always do the right thing. We all have a role to play. As patients, be honest. As health practitioners,